Good morning, students. Welcome you all in your class of English. Myself Kamal Nath, your English teacher, and I am going to start a new lesson, The Master Artist. That is Unit 2, Chapter 2 of your Gulmohar, The Master Artist. I am sure you all will enjoy this chapter. This chapter will entertain you. At the same time, you will be able to learn a lot of things, a lot of lessons. So let's start and know only what is in this chapter. Here you can see Carol Moore, the writer of this story. You know that the author, writer, poet and poetess has a great contribution in the literary field, who enriches our language, improves our way of expression and add to our thinking. They no doubt incites our thoughts, add to our foresightedness, and this is what here the quality of the writers, those who makes us forced to think in a wider range of thinking. And so is here this chapter, Carol Moore, that you can see on the page, and certainly I will add here more information related to Carol Moore in your online class. Here there is a short introduction of the writer Carol Moore. Carol Moore is an author and the creator of the site Children's Story Books Online. This is the site Children's Story Books Online is created by Carol Moore for the children. She created the site to fulfill her lifelong dream. It was her lifelong dream. She was very ambitious about this work, and so she did. So she created the site to fulfill her lifelong dream of writing stories for children. She also illustrates stories for children. And certainly I will discuss some more her biographies in online class, and I will send you more information regarding this so that you can know about the writer and you can add to your experience. Here, the chapter that is before you is The Master Artist, that I already introduced you. Students, this is a very interesting story that is about two people. There are two main characters. The artist, that is what in the title given, the master artist. Here, master is an adjective here which is adding here that the artist was very experienced, very skilled. That is what master means. In his art, in his work, he was master. He has deep experience, and that's why the title is the master artist. Here in this unit, in the beginning, here Monsieur Sinai Leve has been a master artist on his day, and in 1392 he was going to retire from his job when Guglielmo Bartoli, who is a rich Italian patron, called him, sent for him. And when the artist came, Bartoli requested him. He told him that he wanted his portrait of himself on the wall. That was a very big wall, almost 20 feet wall, on which he wanted his own portrait, a beautiful portrait. As Bartoli knew his name and fame, and he knew that he was a very experienced and great artist, so he wanted his portrait to be drawn, portrait to be made by that artist. But he told that, means the master artist told, For a moment he was very thoughtful, because he was going to retire from his work, and he thought that now he would take rest, because he had been making the portrait for several years. He wanted to take rest as he was going to retire. So he told that he was not in a way to do the work. He was going to retire, as I told you, in 1392, in the month of May, and he was going to retire. So he was no just more here available for hire, so that anyone could pay him and hire for doing the work. But the just Bartoli became very disappointed, and the artist felt that Bartoli was very sad at that. So after that he thought a moment, and thinking a moment, the artist became ready. He became ready and told him that he would do what Bartoli liked. He became ready to make his portrait, and in this way Bartoli took him to the dining hall, where there was a big wall of 20 feet tall. He pointed towards that wall and requested him that the wall was for being just made a portrait for him, so that any people, those who will come there, they could see his portrait in his presence and after he was dead. At that he thought, no doubt he thought a lot. The artist became very thoughtful and told him, okay, I would be able to do so, I will do, but you give me freedom. At only one condition I will be able to make your portrait, if nobody will come to see during my work. Until I have completed my work, until I have given the final touch to your portrait, to your painting, nobody will be allowed to come to see the painting, not even yourself. He told to Bartoli, not even Bartoli could come to that place to see. And for that, what did he do? He drew a very big curtain. A very big curtain was drawn, so that nobody could come, nobody could see. Even from at gate also, if anybody could peep to see the painting, nobody could see. 20 feet curtain was here drawn, which was covering the whole wall. In this way, he demanded only food and a bed. There was no condition. The artist was ready to draw, to make his painting only by getting some food every day and a bed. Not any fee. But Bartoli didn't agree. He didn't want his painting to be drawn like that. So he told, it's not possible. There will be something. I want to give you something instead, because it's a great work and you can't do like that. You can't draw my painting like that, free. So let us go and make some treaty. So there was just a bond made, and that bond was sealed, what he was going to pay to him. And in this way, he has started the work. He has started his work on the wall, which was no doubt so big. When the artist saw the wall, he was so happy. Why was he happy? Because he wanted to give the wings to his imagination. In his long life of his work, making thousands of paintings, he was not able to draw the painting of his own desire, what he wanted to just make. And that's why he wanted to draw a painting in which he could see his own dream. The imagination, he wanted to draw such like painting in which he could put his best art. The art he imagined in his mind, he had in his creation, and so the big wall gave him sufficient space so that whatever he thought, whatever he was thinking, he could do. And in that way, just he started the painting. As you know, he just, the curtain you can see in the picture, he spread a big curtain which was covering the wall, and then he started doing. But he was taking much time, and that made Bartoli so much restless. He was very much curious to know what kind of painting he was making and why he was taking so long a time, so much time to complete. He tried to peep from the gate behind the window, but the artist told him, suggested him not to come. He gave the reason as the painting was no doubt different. He was making the painting with his best effort, and so it was taking time. It takes time. So let us see in the next video what happens to the painting, what kind of painting is made by the artist when he was able to complete the painting, and when Bartoli saw it, how he reacted. So all these things we will be able to know when we will be able to read the next part of the video. Thank you, students. Thank you very much being with me. Thank you. We will again come in the next video session.